Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory low on the application of Discord. We go to settings here. In this page, if you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here, you will scrolling down until you find Discord app. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.